Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add nearby friends on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app. Once you do that, you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on this little Bitmoji icon on top left corner. Then what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and go to this section of add friends, which is just right over here. Tap on add friends. When you do that, you can see the added me and find friends. You will find the contact section, which will simply show you the contacts, once you have allowed the access to the contacts, it will show you everybody who is available through your contact. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, tap on this three dot, you're going to tap on hidden from find friends, because some of the friends must be hidden. So you can go ahead, tap on that, so it will show you the hidden from find friends as well. Another thing that you have to remember is to get the find friends section, you and other users have to have been active together. For example, right now I'm accessing Snapchat, the other person also needs to access Snapchat together. Then only the username will pop up on your screen and you can tap on and add them if they are nearby. Next is the Snap Map. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back. You're going to go to this map section, and here you will find the people that are nearby, right? So make sure you are not in ghost mode. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead, tap on your profile. You need to turn off the ghost mode. When you do that, your location will be shared and you will find people around you. And that's one way for you to go ahead and find nearby people. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.